guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is the look for Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is always red and pink, and I'm not a person who likes red and pink, but then just because it's Valentine's Day, I just want to experiment on pinkish kind of mauve kind of something. But then I know that this looks very pink on the screen, on the camera it looks very pink, but then in real life it is kind of a burgundy pinkish color. It looks very bright on the screen. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first step, I'm going to be using my Angel Wheel primer from NYX, and I'm dotting the primer all over my face. This primer is really nice. It's very thin. It does not apply as a thick layer. I'm buffing it all into my skin using my fingers. Next, I'm using the mini masquerade palette by Juvia, and I'm using the shade the shade name is Ada, and I'm applying it all over my crease area, as you guys can see. Next step, I'm going with the shade Fulani. Next, I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer palette. I'm using a lighter shade to cut the crease. It's only a half crease, guys. And I'm applying the shade Kalaba over it. This is a very nice mauve shade. On the screen it looks very pinky, but actually it is a very mauve magenta shade. And I'm mixing Bori, the color Bori, which is like a bright pink, just a little bit, not so much. Next, I'm going to be smudging it all in place using the shade Casablanca. This is a very bright golden color. I'm going to be lining my eyes with an eyeliner from Nykaa. Next step, for the foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Mahogany. I'm dotting it on my face. Next step, I'll be using a beauty blender to blend it all. Next step, for the highlighter, to highlight the high points of my face, I'm using the same Makeup Revolution concealer palette and using a shade that is closest match to my skin to highlight the high points of my face, and also to conceal my dark circles. I'm blending it all in place with the beauty blender. I'm going to be setting it all in place using a Makeup Revolution terracota powder also to highlight. I'm using a powder brush to do this. Next, I'm using the Victoria's Note palette to contour and blush. And once that's over, I'm removing off all the excess powder from my face. Next, to pop up my eyebrows, I'm using a concealer underneath to sharpen it even better. And I'm smudging it using my fingers. Next, for the eyebrows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Pomade. I'm filling up the sparse spaces in my eyebrow, combing it all with a spoolie brush. Next, for the lipstick, I'm using ColourPop's lipstick in the shade Tulip. This is the satin range of lipsticks. They are really bomb. The formula is really bomb, guys. You should try it. So I've applied a falsies off camera. This is pack M83. I think it's M83 or 85, I'm not sure. Now I'm applying Kajal, as you guys can see. The last step is mascara. This is from Essence, the Get Big Lashes one. This is not my personal favorite, but yeah, I like it. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys like this, and please do share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.